How to use JioCinema on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Access the Home menu. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote to open the Smart Hub. Step number 2. Go to the Apps section. Use the directional buttons on your remote to navigate to Apps and press Enter. Step number 3. Search for JioCinema. In the Apps section, select the search icon, usually a magnifying glass icon, type JioCinema using the on-screen keyboard and press Enter. Step number 4. Install JioCinema. From the search results, select the JioCinema app. Choose Install to download and install the app on your TV. Step number 5. Open and activate JioCinema. Once installed, open the JioCinema app from your apps list. Select any content to watch. An activation code will appear on the screen. Step number 6. Complete activation. On your mobile device or computer, go to the JioCinema activation page. Enter your mobile number and the activation code displayed on your TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once activated, you can start streaming JioCinema content directly on your Samsung Smart TV.